students, class 12, Humanities, subject Home Science, chapter 6, Population Control. Now we will discuss about population in India. India is still suffering from various problems after independence. Overpopulation is most dangerous among them. Being a developing country, the increasing growth rate is dragging India into a problem of cycles of population and poverty which led to development traps. Development trap means which cause poverty. This further increase other problems like illiteracy, unemployment and increase in the price of goods and services. Removal of poverty is a very long-term goals in India. The current population is around 1.21 billions. India occupy only 2.4% of the world land area but covers over 15% of world population. Next to China, India is the second largest populated country in the world. Population growth rate, mortality rate and sex ratio. First we will discuss about population growth rate. Population growth rate is the increase in the number of individual in a population. Next, mortality rate. Mortality rate or a death rate is a measure of the number of deaths in a particular population scale to the size of the population per unit of time. Next, sex ratio. The sex ratio is the ratio of male to female in the population. Next is starvation. Most major problem is starvation. Food and nutrition crisis does not occur because of the lack of food but rather because people are too poor to obtain enough food. In 2016, Food Hunger Index ranked India at 97 out of 180 country on the base of leading populated country and undernourished in the world. Next is lack of drinking water. Overpopulation will strain current water resources to their limit, cause an increase in the water pollution, and lead to an increase in civil and international conflicts of existing water supply. The increasing high demand of water will also affect food production in water strained areas. Next is problem of transport. In a heavily populated country such as India, managing different aspects of transport is a difficult task. There is also growing context over the high degrees of air pollution in Indian cities. It is evidence that most pollution is caused by motor vehicles. Roads are getting damaged because more vehicles travel on them. Insufficient cloth. In a country produce product in a country production of clothes not only fulfill the needs of the people but also exploring clothes and dresses it earn foreign exchange also. There is per annual growth in the production of growth but still these are not available to the poor living below poverty line. Many times children and old age people die because of cold in winter. Limited medical and education facilities. The rate of population growth affect long range planning of communities health and medical facilities. Next, population education. Population education is defined as an educational program which provide for a study of the population situation in the family, communities, nations, and the world with the purpose of developing in the students rational and responsible attitudes and behaviors towards that situation. Family planning. Family planning may involve many problems like the number of child a woman wishes to have, indulging the choice to have no child, as well as age at which she wishes to have them. These matters are influenced by external factors such as marital situations, career, financial position, any disabilities that may affect their ability to have child and raise them, beside any another consequences. Family Planning Association in India was established in 1949. It provides information on sexual education and family life, along with a wide range of serving individual family planning, bringing health and happiness to millions and billions. Every year, July is celebrated as a population day. In present time, it is named as family planning. It is changed to family planning into family welfare. Now, the last point is desire of boy and ignorance of girls. Government is conducting family welfare program in India at vast level but cannot control the situations of population growth. The main reason of this is the male dominating society and desire of boy. The traditional social setup focus on the son as being the main bread earner of the family. He is expected to earn and take care of his parent in their old age. It is more expensive to grow up a girl child because they have to pay for her study and then get her married to somebody else. This reason was mostly voiced by the elderly people in the community. But in today's world, women are slowly start recognizing her true position and potential. As a result, girl has started breaking barriers and earn a respectful position in the world. Today, Indian women has excellence in each and every field, from social work to visit space stations. There is no areas where women cannot reach, whether it is political, sports, entertainment, literature, technology, everywhere is women power all around. So it is important that we educate both boys and girls and treat both same. Thank you.